Partner work, guys. You're working with your partner.
First time I heard that not people that partner work. Y'all should be working together to help each other.
So Deleon, I got one more.
Do we need more time?
I think they were probably
You get it, Emma?
Yeah. The only tricky thing is that you guys have to find
This is your original.
How did you go from triangles? Yeah. But this is got
What are you going to use? Stop. What are you going to What are you going to do? Did y'all think we have to do the same exact thing? No, you're using the sheets you just. So you're scaling this.
You're right.
I guess it was you're doing this, you're scaling. Bigger, smaller, depending on the size. So what do you think you're doing to these rents? What does scaling mean again? What two things can happen? What three things can happen when we're scaling something? If I scale it by 5, what's happening to the figure? If I'm scaling it by
I'm going to add one more.
what happens to the figure? It's smaller, right? That's all that's happening. There's the proportions of the side happen. They all have to be proportional. So the figures either get bigger or smaller depending on the scale factor. So is your figure going to change at all? No. So if your side link is 3, 4, and 5, what are you doing to those side links? Your scale factor is bigger. What operation are you using to get to work? Well, your scale factor is 3, is it going to get smaller or bigger? Smaller? 3 is greater than 1. It's greater than 1 is bigger. Smaller than 1 is shh. Listen up. Did anyone? Ready? Let me see if I can. Oh, sorry. because what I'm looking for is exactly what he has. Except he did mess up on one of them, but it's fine. Face forward. Ibrahim, face forward. Never mind. I guess from far you can see. So Riley here. You guys can just look up here real quick. Riley here. Hello. I'm speaking. Riley here has the two figures, the two drawings. Next time, just label it, please. Okay. But here he's applying the first skill factor to the original side lengths. Okay. You're applying the first skill factor to the original side lengths. If your skill factor is 1/3, are you expecting your original to get enlarged or reduced? If you're reduced, why do you say reduced, Jemiah? Right.
I couldn't hear that. Jemiah, louder?
I said, when you find it by that half, or like the 1/3 or whatever you got, it will give like a lower number to kind
And why is that the case? Why is it that when we multiply by 1/3, when we multiply side length by 1/3, we're going to get a reduced side length? Why is that? When do we see reduction with our skill factor? How do we know of our skill factor if we're going to see reduction based on our skill factor? Delaney?
when the second kid is like,
Right, I'm thinking more of the number though. I know what you're trying to say. I'm thinking more than a Joshua. If your skill factor is what? What does that mean though? What does that mean? What do you mean by fraction? Like, if your skill factor is what? Remember that little game we played? How you told, yes, Emma? Yeah, if your skill factor is less than 1. Remember that game we played when I told you, I gave you, David, when I gave you different skill factors, if it's less than 1, you're going to see reduction. If it's greater than 1, you're going to see what, Xavier? Enlargement. Thank you, Lenny. So, Riley, Xavier, Riley here showed the work for his original side length, getting the new side lengths.
What page are we on, Mr. Calixto?
This is 294. I can't show you because the thing is not working. I'm very sorry about that. But we'll do A together real quick, just so that you see exactly what I was trying to get you to do. Right. This figure 1, it's my original. We agree? My original. This is my original. My first skill factor is what, Moises? My first skill factor is what, Moises? It's on your book too. Let's look at 291. 291. Your first skill factor is what, Riley? 1/3. Right? Which means what? Emma? It's going to be a reduction. We're going to see a reduction. Which means, is our new scaled figure going to be larger or smaller than the original? Our new scaled figure is going to be larger than the original? Smaller. So how do I apply this scale factor? How do I find the new side lengths of that scaled figure? How do I find the new side lengths of that scaled figure? What am I doing with the scale factor? Only Joshua knows?
You adding the 1/3 to the sides, you subtracting 1/3 from the sides. What are you doing with the scale factor here to get the new figure? What do you think, Mota? You're gonna add 1/3 to all the sides?
Yeah. No, multiply.
Multiply it. Thank you. So, give me a side link. Give me one of the side links. There's 4 different side links, but the 2 of them are the same numbers. Give me one of the side links. Yep. 6. So for the side length of 6, for this one, side length of 6, I'm multiplying by 1/3. What's my new side length now? Raise your hand, Elliot. 2. Thank you. For the next side length, we have 3. Multiplying by 1/3. What is my new side length? Joyce? What? 9?
Oh, 1.
1. Thank you.
Look how Mr. Deleon is annotating the measurement, which is length. Width. Make sure you're labeling those with L and W. Thank you, Paula.
Right? Thank you. Length and your width, okay? So my new scale figure, what's my new length? What's my new length, Ibrahima? What's my new length, Jasmeli?
If you guys don't have this on your thing, you guys should be writing this down.
What's my new length, Jacob? 2. My new length is gonna be 2, so I'm gonna draw 2, a line that covers 2 boxes, right there, 2. What's my new width? Emma? 1. So my width is now 1. Okay, so then I finish the rest of that box. I'm gonna label this figure 2. And I'm gonna label my size. My width was 1, my length was 2. Okay? That's figure 2. What's my second scale factor? I don't want to call this anything. Second scale factor, Isabella. 4. Am I applying that to the original or the scaled one? You guys said it. Say it louder. Scaled. I'm applying it to this new figure. So if my scale factor is 4, am I going to see enlargement or reduction? Eleni? Enlargement, why? Because 4 is what? Bigger than what? Bigger than 1 whole. Thank you. 4 is greater than 1, so we're going to see enlargement. So, figure 3. What am I doing to the side, to the length of 1, and what am I doing to the length of 2, and what am I doing to the width of 2 to get those new side lengths? Edward? Multiply by 4. So I'm going to label this, these are figure 2 side lengths. We're trying to get figure 3. My length was 2. My width was 1. Multiplying it by what again, Annabelle? Pay attention. Riley? By 4. So what's 2 times 4? Joyce? What's 1 times 4? Elian? 4. Okay? Draw figure 3 and label this. Go ahead. You got 30 seconds. I already did. Thank you, Jacob. A minute, actually. We're on A.